Hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria ndawa njerũ ya kũhũrana na ria na tũtambi, obithaa mũnene wa kanjũ ĩyo Clement Tulezi augĩte kũgathĩkwo kwa igooti kũrĩ ndawa cia ria na tũtambi nĩ ikinya rĩkũhotomia mũno ũrĩmi wa mahũa kumana na moritũ mangĩ makoretwo makiũgũmĩra.
Introduction of 16% on agrochemicals has a huge impact on our sector. Most people do not know that our margins are really small, and if you have an added tax, then what it means is that it's eating into the margins and it becomes very difficult. Especially we almost at the very end, I hope so, with the COVID-19. We have gone through a difficult patch where liquidity has been a problem for most growers, exporters. And therefore any additional cost to the growers and exporters definitely has an immediate impact on the bottom line.
And it is our hope that with the launch of this product, we are able to enable the local horticultural industry to obviously increase its exports to all the countries of destination, together with being able to carry all of its necessary certification when it leaves Kenya.
Gonis has been tried in Kenya, we've tried in Naivasha, we've tried in Mount Kenya region, that is in Timau, and the results have been very good. It has compared well with the market standards, actually even exceeded, and that's why you can see there's a lot of excitement from growers. It's a big promise for the flower farms in terms of the flower farmers in terms of producing quality flowers.
Rũhonge rũrũ rugĩte nĩ rũraranĩria na mabũrũri ma Rũraya nĩguo kũmetĩkĩria kũhũthĩra ndawa imwe kuma Rũraya iria ciekĩrĩirwo mũkana rũkiuga nĩ irabatarĩkana gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
There are certain chemicals that all over the world are not permitted, but from where we grow these crops, we have to use certain chemicals. That is the reality. So anyone telling you that we'll be able to continue producing cut flowers, fruits and vegetables from this country without the use of chemicals, it is not true. That will not happen. It's about the responsible use of those chemicals, and we are putting systems in place to ensure that every grower understands what they are supposed to do.
Rũhonge rũrũ rwa mahũa rũkoretwo rũkĩyũkĩrĩria o kahora kuma kũrĩ marũrũ ma mũrimũ wa COVID-19 rũrĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ gũgĩkinyĩria mwaka tũrorete nĩ rũkwĩhanda rĩngĩ na nĩ rũhonge rũrehagĩra bũrũri baita ya makĩria ma birioni 100 o mwaka.
We are looking at recovering the sector. We had projected that 2023 will be in full recovery, and we are committed to that, but we are asking government to give us a holiday on some of these taxes so that growers, exporters have a way in which they can be able to get more liquid into the companies they run so that they can remain afloat.
Kiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Anigige Wanyamu.